Hello everyone, I am Shikha Jha. I am MSc Botany and I am also B.Ed. So today we are going to discuss about chloroplast. As we have studied in the structure of cell, that the cell is covered by cell membrane, in between the cell there is nucleus present, all the other parts of the cell is the cytoplasm. And this cytoplasm contains many cell organelle. So one of the cell organelle is chloroplast. So in the cytoplasm, chloroplast is also present, chloroplast. In the cytoplasm, there are many cell organelles present. Mitochondria, we have studied about mitochondria. If you haven't seen my video upon mitochondria, then I will mention the link in the description box. So please watch that video also. So what is chloroplast? Chloroplast is the cell organelle which is present in the cytoplasm. Chloroplast is green colored cell organelle. This is green colored. Why it is called green colored? We will see. So this is green colored chlorophyll cell organelle present in the cytoplasm of the cell. So chloroplast is present only in plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. So one of the very important characteristic of chloroplast is that it is present only in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. Coming to the structure of chloroplast, chloroplast is also double membrane bound cell organelle. So this is outer membrane, this is inner membrane. So chloroplast is also double membrane bound cell organelle. Chloroplast has granum present. So this is grana. This structure is called grana. A granum we can say. Grana is more than one. This grana present and these grana are joined by stroma lamellae. So what is called this? This is called as stroma lamellae. And the matrix or the fluid that is present in the chloroplast is known as stroma. So this is known as stroma. This fluid which is present in the chloroplast is known as stroma. So this stroma is the fluid that is present in the chloroplast. It also contains double membranous cell DNA, as we have seen in case of mitochondria also. So this is DNA. It also contains RNA. One important thing that chloroplast contains is the starch grain. This is the starch grain. Starch is the place where in starch grain plants contain starch. So this is starch grain. About all of these functions we will study in the higher classes. So this is the general structure of chloroplast. It is covered by two membranous organelle, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. There is grana present in the chloroplast. Grana is connected by stroma lamellae. There is fluid present in the chloroplast known as stroma. Stroma contains DNA, RNA and also ribosome. Ribosomes are also present and polyribosomes are also present. That is, one ribosome is also present and more than one ribosome is also present. So this is ribosome. There is starch grains also present in the chloroplast. Coming to its function, photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. This is very important function of chloroplast. Okay, this structure also contains chlorophyll. In the grana, there is thylakoid present. One of the grana is called thylakoid. Thylakoid has quantosome and quantosome contains chlorophyll. Grana contains chlorophyll. This chlorophyll gives the chloroplast a green color, as we have studied that chloroplast is green colored organelle because it contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives the chloroplast green color. Coming to the function, photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. What happens in the photosynthesis? That carbon dioxide and water together forms food molecule, or we can say glucose and water. This reaction occurs in the chloroplast. 6 molecule of chloroplast and 6 molecule of water, sorry, 6 molecule of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecule of water together form the food. This is the food, or we can say glucose, and also oxygen is released in this process. So this occurs in the chloroplast. This is the process by which plants make their food. This is the food. Plants make their food. So this process of photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast. So once revise the chloroplast. Chloroplast is green colored organelle present in the cytoplasm of cell. It is present only in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. Coming to its structure, it is double membranous bound cell organelle. It contains grana, stroma lamellae. It has matrix also present. These fluid are called stroma. It contains starch granules, ribosomes, polyribosomes, DNA, RNA. DNA is double stranded circular. And photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. Photosynthesis is what? Photosynthesis is the process of making food by the plants. Thank you.